Nick, that's dumb. Stop. You're being rude. Well, it is. Mine's scary, unlike yours. It's not done yet. It's almost. Yours doesn't even have cuts like mine. I'm not done yet. Does yours have fangs? Yeah, it's got two. Here. Here.
This brutal hideousness is brought to you by
Nick's the Shroud. Oh, by the way, that pumpkin sucks.
the previous meanness was not condoned by the establishment or the management of this authority.